and I must confess here that I did not know him until January 2015. You would be surprised why I am writing this book. But in the 28-month period that he was Defence Minister in Delhi, I was in Delhi since 2006. We got connected through common friends, and we became very close friends. I looked upon him as an elder brother. He looked upon me as a sounding board during his stint as Defence Minister, and we became extremely close. So what I know about him is mostly from his stint as Defence Minister, and of course our long chats in his house, sometimes in my house, sometimes traveling with him. And what I saw him as not just a technocrat politician, but a man of great integrity, a man who was hardworking, who was only concerned about the well-being of the nation and strengthening the security of the nation.
Government of Goa, through my department, that is Department of Science, Technology and Waste Management, has been conducting this prestigious science lecture series annually as a befitting tribute to our former Chief Minister, who had a dream and a vision to take the state to a new high in the field of science, technology and innovation. By organizing this event, government wants to inculcate scientific temper and love for science, technology and innovation in the minds of young students and general public at large. Government of Goa took this initiative to organize Nobel Prize series in 2018, whereby Nobel laureates interacted with thousands of students, researchers and general public, which was a very enriching experience for the young scientific minds of our state. Goa has seen that North Goa coastal belt is totally clean. Now we have already started the plant in South Goa. This is nothing but through science and technology and innovation. The required infrastructure which has to be given to the state. Under our leader, Dr. Pramod Sawant, we have already commenced the work in South Goa. I think it will be ready in another 8 months. And Goa will be totally garbage free.
Where it is important to minimize the waste generation, at the same time, whatever the generated must be scientifically treated and disposed of. I'm happy to say that the Goa's first state to get an integrated solid waste management facility to set up in the Saligao. The technology used in the world class is being highly technical manpower. He took the initiative to connect all the towns and villages by constructing the 20 plus bridges. Amongst them, one is Atal Setu and Manohar Parrikar Kanpur bypass is a great example of his vision. In order to encourage the teacher and university faculties to undertake the research, and the dedicated fund has allocated to support to such project. To travel grant is being provided to the teachers and researchers to attend the symposiums and the workshops within the country and outside the country.